I'm recording right now. This is kook. I'm recording on an iPhone 4S. See, it's all these plants. This is different woods. Wonder if I might upload this to the AG 101. Just as
it's like a spin-off.
It's like a spin-off.
It's like a calm before the storm, before the ultimate nature trail adventure.
It's like, I think we heard there's going to be a flash flood warning, so hopefully there's no actual flash flood. Yeah, this is all poison ivy over here. This is all poison ivy.
Or you could still get poison ivy by just sniffing it.
I don't know, by sniffing.
Or just getting close.
I don't know. Yeah, no, that's not poison. I think those are, what are they called? I don't remember. I don't remember what those are called. They're different. If like they have 5 leaves on them, they're different. Yeah, but that's poison ivy. All that's poison ivy. It's poison ivy.
Be a whole lot to explore. I don't want to go off the trail.
No, I ain't. No, hell no. Or go off trail. I get poison ivy. You know. Yo. Get poison ivy, and I'll be roaring the next morning. It's all mud. So the other area over there. Gotta make sure I don't touch any of this shit. So I'm extremely allergic to poison ivy. It's all this mud. I don't know how the quality's gonna be. There's not a whole lot to explore around here. We could go over here, or we can. Which way do you want to go? Yo.
Gotta be careful. There's a lot of mud.
Oh, it's disgusting. Oh my god. It's more poison ivy. It's like it's. What the hell? What is this? What?
There's cuckoo butt. Look at all these bugs.
Yeah, because they're rotted.
It's rotten.
Ooh!
Yeah.
What is that a daddy long leg?
I don't know.
I think that is. I saw a daddy long leg. Things.
Yeah, you gotta be careful because we're right behind people's houses. You don't want to cause a lot of noise and they'll be roaring.
Yo. Well, don't touch any of these plants.
Not really much else to explore over here.
I'm gonna keep going. Yeah. Those are Virginia. I think they call those Virginia creepers or something like that. I think people say they have like an opposite effect on poison ivy. It's like broken branches and stuff. Yo. It's recording for 3 minutes. It's broken branches. Gotta keep making sure I look down so I don't like rub against any cuckoo plants. Hold on. This kind of sucks a little bit. What the hell? This is a bumblebee. This is a bumblebee. Remember Brandon once said he was trying to rip off a bumblebee's. Yo. Some cuckoo spider. Brandon tried to rip. He was like in 4th grade and he was trying to rip off a bumblebee's wings and it bit him and he was hunched.
He actually ripped off his wing.
He actually ended up doing that in the end, but it just bit him. Look at all these weird plants. These plants look cuckoo right here. Look at these plants right here. They look cuckoo. It's like some of them are dying too. Yo. Let's go this way. Yeah, these woods are really small compared to mine.
Something like all there. I thought it just followed raindrops.
I just jump over here. Just gonna walk this way. Wait, where are you going? Wait, Nick. Wait, where are you going? I was gonna go this way.
Which is pretty much all there is.
Yeah, there's not much here.
I mean, there are other places, but they're all poison ivy surrounding it.
Yeah, that I don't wanna walk into that. If I probably during the I wanna have like boots, like hiking boots. In the ultimate nature trail adventure, I might have like long sleeve shirt. Not it's probably gonna be hot as hell, but if I don't want to get poison ivy and it just gets on my clothes instead.
I'll be in the video before we go up.
Well, we can still go up here. I might just pause it or something. I don't know if I could pause it.
We won't record up here. Because then people will see the buildings.
Oh, let's see.
Because some of these buildings are popular.
Why don't we just go this way over here? I think there's another area.
Might be poison ivy filled.
Yo. This is kook here. It's a whole bunch of water. Just go this way.
Might be poison ivy filled. I don't know.
Maybe. Oh yeah, this area here. We can. I think it's like goes a. It's like there's a turn right here or something.
I don't even know where it leads.
Well, I guess we're gonna find out. We're gonna find out. Some big
house.
Yo. Just see where this goes to. Holy crap.
Some cuckoo turn.
Let's see. Whoa, some kind of path. I actually think this is interesting. It's light at the. He's be in front of me, so at least we have somebody on camera.
It's not as cuckoo as the abandoned trail.
No, we're not even deep in any woods at all. In the abandoned trail, we're like deep as shit.
The second abandoned trail.
That's like almost like the second abandoned trail is close to like roads and stuff.
The abandoned trail is like there's nothing else surrounding it.
The abandoned trail. The regular abandoned trail, it's closed off and it's like you're cut off from human contact almost. Jeez. It's like a grassland over here. Is this where it ends?
Yo.
What is that?
Those flocks.
It's something dead.
Yeah, I think it's a dead animal.
Yo.
Jeez.
Disgusting. There's all these water bottles and shit.
No, it's a dead end.
Let me see.
Don't go through here.
Yo.
Yeah,
See any?
we're pretty much gonna be hunched trying to go through that.
Yeah, I'm not doing that. I don't think there's anywhere else to go anyways. Oh, it's disgusting. That's nasty. It's like only 9 minutes. I think this is the only video we're going to record here. There's nothing really too interesting here.
There's not really anything to explore.
So my nature trail, there's a shit ton.
You know, Brandon's old woods was cuckoo.
Yeah, well, the worst part is like when it crosses over to another neighborhood. It's like apparently I guess we were all being really loud, and I guess somebody probably heard us, and then they're threatening to call the cops. We were hunched.
We were You were hunched running back to where running back.
I just waddled back because I didn't want to stay there and find out what was going to happen. It's a dead tree.
Roaring if they actually called the cops.
Yeah, we'd be fucked, especially me, because I had nunchucks on me.
Yeah.
Because if the cops actually came, the nunchucks that I have on me is probably going to think I was using them for like some mischief or some shit.
You had brass knuckles.
Well, yeah, I'd be fucked as hell, because you can't. The brass knuckles aren't even legal in this state.
Pretty much all there is to explore.
So I guess we can go down here. We can end this off maybe. It's just a pretty quick video. Let's just go by this bench. Wait, where's there suit? Yo. Well, we just crawled in there. Yeah, I'm gonna sit right here and just end the video off. Pretty much that's gonna be it for you guys.
Yeah.
It was just a quick video to hold you guys off for like the ultimate nature trail adventure, because we keep having to push it back further and further. Because this coming weekend I have to go on a date with this girl.
Yeah.
And then June 8th is when we're going to actually do the ultimate nature trail adventure. Unless if like some unfixable bullshit happens, then
Push that person dead.
yeah. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Guess we'll see you guys next time.